Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad to have you here. In today's video we are going to make a super simple recipe that works as a salve also. We are going to make an anti-stress, anti-anxiety oil that's made from simple ingredients. First of all, you would need some dried lemon balm. These are fresh lemon balm that I've dried overnight, and you can tell that the color has gone quite brown, dark brown, but it's completely normal for lemon balm. The aroma is still there, the essential oil is still there, as well as the benefits of the lemon balm. Also, we have some cut up dried sage. This is organic sage that I've cut up and it has been dried, so it will be great for our oil. And all you will need is a jar, preferably an amber or a dark colored jar, but no problems, this will be placed in a dark warm place for about 4 to 8 weeks. You would need also an oil of your choice. You can use sweet almond oil or extra virgin olive oil or sesame oil. Other people also use sunflower or canola oil, but for this recipe we are going to use extra virgin olive oil for its anti-inflammatory benefits as well. First of all, I've cut up the lemon balm, and I am going to continue by cutting up the lavender as well into small pieces and then place it into the jar. So I have cut up both the lavender and the lemon balm, and we will continue by placing it in a sterilized jar to infuse with the olive oil mixture. So this is the exact quantity you would need of herbs. Just a little bit more would be great as well, towards half of the jar. And we are going to top this with the extra virgin olive oil and make sure that it covers all the herbs to prevent the oil from going rancid. And you also need to make sure that the herbs are completely dry, because adding in fresh herbs would create or make the oil rancid. So this is just about enough, and I'm going to put the lid on tightly and place in a dark warm place for about 4 to 8 weeks to infuse. After that we will strain the oil, and you can use it as a simple oil just at the bottom of the feet, under the feet of babies and children, to help them calm down, to help them with a restful sleep. Also, if you suffer from anxiety, you can use the strained oil to put it on the pulse areas in your arms and other areas as well, to help you with this instant anxiety relief. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do let me know if you are interested in more videos such as this one, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like and share. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.